If you're trying to order takeaway and Doordash keeps throwing error messages or getting stuck on the checkout screen, it can be really frustrating. So I'm going to explain to you the most common reasons why your order isn't going through and how to fix it fast. So first, let's look at why checkout breaks in the first place. So the most frequent culprit is a payment decline, which happens if your bank blocks the transaction, your card details expire, or your billing postcode doesn't match. Another common issue is restaurant availability. If a restaurant suddenly closes, turns off their delivery tablet, or runs out of item in your basket, checkout will freeze. Finally, temporary server outages or corrupted app cache files can prevent your request from reaching Doordash. So firstly guys, just to fix this, switch your payment option. Try using PayPal, Apple Pay, or a different card to bypass the bank security blocks. If payment isn't the issue, clear your basket, restart the app, or toggle between Wi-Fi and cellular to refresh your connection. If the checkout button is completely unresponsive, check for the latest app updates. Then guys, if nothing helps, it's time to reach out to support. So open your profile settings, select help, and tap live chat. So the way we open it, we go, as you can see here, in our settings, you go to help. After that, you navigate to this screen, how can we help? And instead of doing any of those buttons or going into forums, just press on chat with support right here. Okay. And also you can call the phone if you wish. There you go. This is the phone. And that's all there is to it, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.